Okay, iPhone 14 Pro Max. 14 Pro Max. We need to change the screen. First, we start with these two screws. Second, try to heat it a little bit. You need a you need a razor or something sharp to remove the screen. Now, if you put alcohol around the screen, it will remove easy. That's what I usually do. I put some alcohol, like 70%. Okay, now we need to turn off this. Okay, just put this one here. Since the screen is broken, you don't have to worry about it. You can put a little bit more. You see? And then boom, just wipe all the way. And down. Uh-oh, we turn it on again. Oh, worry, we turn it off. Now we have 5 screws. We need to remove them. 1, 2, another one, another one. Okay, after remove all the screws, we remove the tray nicely. We remove the battery first. Okay, now we have 2 screws on top. Actually, the screen is so easy. You just need to have a good heater. You have to heat this section so you remove this nice and easy without breaking it. You have a heat here. So let's heat it. I'm gonna heat it for a couple minutes, like a minute. Wait. Okay, after we heat it, we just go around it. You see it move easy. Okay, after we putting everything together, now it's time to connect two connector, one here and one here. Connect the battery. Now the battery. Heck. Okay, now we turn it on, make sure the phone is working. So far it looks good.
It won't taste like Wendy's. This job is easy. When the deal's as fresh as the meal, gotta be Wendy's.
You can feel it when your dream becomes a pursuit.
Alright. Din 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 din. Now put back the tray.
It's time you had a proven choice of store what's yours. Oxalura is the first and only FDA-approved prescription treatment for non-segmental vitiligo. Proven to help repigment skin over time. Restoring what's yours. It's possible with a steroid-free cream that you can apply yourself.
Oxalura can lower your ability to fight infections, including TB or hepatitis B or C. Serious lung infections, skin cancer, blood clots, and low blood cell counts occur with Oxalura. In people taking JAK inhibitors, serious infections, increased risk of death, lymphoma, other cancers, and major cardiovascular events have occurred. The most common side effects were acne and itching red blood.
Repigmentation is possible. Ask your dermatologist today about starting or refilling Oxalura. Pursue it.
Wendy's has meat saucy nugs. And if Wendy's found a way to make their nugs even better, whole new egg nugs gotta be Wendy's.
Tonight, it's an all-season celebrity family feud. And a special look back at decades of laughs. It all starts tonight, 8/7 Central on ABC. On the next Refined, walking out at just 12 years old. Beat the Shadow Kid who attracted national attention. Plus, the Shane Ice Spot at the Disney Chain Aloha. All see you tomorrow at 3 right here on Cumble 4.
Penetrating Herald Park, over 22,000 people have trusted our firm to handle their personal injury cases. When we built on that trust to expand to 6 locations in 48 staff. We understand how an injury can disrupt your life and cause financial hardship for you and your family. Our 10 attorneys are experienced in negotiation and litigation. So if you feel the insurance company is not dealing with you fairly,
Okay, sorry, I was looking at something else, so
you won't have to.
okay, after we make sure it's working, so now you wanna make sure there is nothing, like here I found the screw, there is no screw. Okay, and it will fit nicely. Let's go. You push this backward.
Local stories on issues that matter. Subscribe to Come On News on YouTube.
If sometimes doesn't fit, you just take it out again. Don't try to push it. Let's see why this one doesn't want to go in. I don't see any problem. Maybe this one is like this little bit. Okay, now it's in. Now it's in. Now everything is in. You see? Okay, now we need those 2 screws.
There's a long way to go to that five to the 70 games to go on the schedule. But also 3 weeks from today is when Major League Baseball hits its trade deadline. Of course, the Mariners are in first place, and that lines to the notion they'll be fired and so to speak trying to find help. And they've gotten that.
And that's it. 14 Pro Max screen replacement. Thanks for watching.